Hey everyone, welcome to AutoAPI. Today we are going to see how we can automatically schedule the meeting into our Google Calendar where it will be received from the Elementor website without using any code but with the help of AutoAPI. AutoAPI is a no-code platform where you can build a powerful automated workflow without writing a single code, helping you simplify the task, speed up the operations, and grow your business effortlessly. For now, let's start our automation. Before start the automation, make sure you have a one WordPress website with the Elementor. For our case, I'm going to use this one. This is the website. Okay. Now let's add the new tab. Search for the autoapi.com and hit the enter.
So this is the landing page of AutoAPI where you can find multiple sections. In this section you can find we provide a list of application, so you can use this application to build a powerful automated workflow. If you scroll down, you got multiple templates which is ready to use to boost your businesses also. And then here you can find a pricing plan where we provide starter plan, essential plan and professional plan. If you notice, in our starter plan, we just provide 3000 tasks every month for your first signing up freely. So now let's just create the automation workflow by simply tapping on the workflow, and here you can find this is the automation dashboard where you can able to manage or monitor your workflow with respect to their filters, like on the basis of their status, tasks executed, and the basis of their action also. So let's create the workflow by simply tabbing on the add workflow. Give it a name.
And give it the name as Elementor to Google Calendar. Okay, just save it. You can see the trigger application windows appear where a multiple trigger list of the trigger is available. I'm going to use Elementor as my trigger application. Just select this one and select the new form submission as my trigger action. Select this one. Add first app. Now, the question might be arise, what is trigger? Trigger is nothing but satisfying the if condition is satisfied, what should be done? In our case, if the data is came from the website, it is going to be mapped or captured into a Google Calendar. For now, we have to set the trigger application by using webhook URL. To set the webhook URL, here is the step how to set the webhook URL. Just copy the webhook URL, go to your WordPress website. Yeah, I'm going to use this one, edit with Elementor. It will take some time. Yeah, our site is loaded. Just scroll down and hit one of the columns. Here you can see the form fields are available. Just close this one and we are going to use action after submit. It is basically mean what action should be taken after submitting the form. Just open it and search for the webhook. Select the webhook. As soon as you select the webhook is appeared here. Open the webhook and copy the webhook URL which is provided here and paste here. And publish this. Now we successfully set up the webhook URL into our form where all the data is provided from this form is going to capture into this application. Now To test this application, just preview the changes and provide the data. To happy event, this one. The starting date should be, I'm going to use 14 June, end date 14 June itself. Starting time is 12 p.m. and the end time it's going to be 1 hour event 1 p.m. Provide the email ID and location. As soon as we are going to hit the submit button, all the data going to be captured here. But here is the trick. You have to start capturing data before submitting the data. You start the capturing data, submit the data, data sent successfully. Open here, click the check status. Yeah, data captured successfully. Now, as per our Google Calendar requires a particular set of date and time format to proceed. For this, we are going to use the date and time formatter. Just add the date and time formatter. Date and time formatter is the AutoAppy custom application where you can format the date and the time. I'm going to use format date with time zone, add the task, create a new connection, and going to provide the zone. I'm going to use this one and establish the connection. My connection created successfully. Input the date. Okay. Before input the date, I'm going to introduce this plus icon. The plus icon is simply be that mapper where it fill all the data, which it capture all the data and fill it in the required in here. So just tab Elementor and the date they are providing. I'm going to provide this date, starting date, confirm it, and the time, start time, confirm it. Make sure you know the input format, year, month, date, and time. Search for your format, year, month, date, not this one, year, month, date, time, and RMA. This is our input format. I want this into this format, UTC format, from time zone, which is Asia, Kolkata. Select this one to UTC. Okay, and submit. Test this application, and it will be going to provide me the date and time format in the UTC format. Okay, done. Now I'm going to repeat the same procedure for the end date. Search for the date and time formatter. Select this one, format, date with time zone, add the task. I'm going to use existing connection, which is this one. Save the connection, provide the date. This time I'm going to use the end date, confirm it, and the time, end time, confirm it. Input format is year, month, date, or minute, and I want it in the UTC format, which is just select this one from time zone to UTC and submit it. So we got our date and time in the format which we want. Now just Add the Google Calendar. I'm going to add Google Calendar, add my action application, this one. You can see there is a multiple endpoint available. For me, I'm going to use event, create a Google Calendar event. Just select the event, add the task, and create a new connection. Connect with Google, choose the account. Okay, now you can see the consent screen. If you see a screen saying Google hasn't verified auto IP, don't worry. We have already submitted the form, the required document for the verification, and Google will approve it soon. For now, just tap the advance and go to auto IP. Give the access. Our connection is established successfully. Save the connection. Correct. Now they're going to ask you to add your Google ID. Just I'm going to use this one event title. I'm going to map it from the previous Elementor auto IP event. Confirm it. I'm going to map my description as auto IP event. Confirm it. Now I'm going to add the start date from these date and time formatter. Confirm it, and the end date here. Confirm it. Time zone, I'm selecting Asia, Kolkata. This one. Select this one and submit. Our data saved successfully, and test this application. As you can see, task executed successfully. It means that the data we provided is going to add into your Google Calendar. Just check it now. Search for the calendar. Okay, this is the event which I had now. Auto happy event, 30 minute, 6:30 to 7:30. Yeah. So now you can see we have successfully built the automated workflow for the Elementor to Google Calendar. So if you want to stop this manual grind and start automating your businesses, hit the subscribe button so you can find more automated and more practical videos on this channel. If you like this video, just make sure you just like the video and share with your friend. And if you want the link of this automation, just find the link in the description below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.